Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you have been using Grok to create AI videos for free, I have some news that is going to hit you right in the gut. Elon Musk and the team over at XAI have officially thrown up a paywall on Grok's video generation feature. We are talking about roughly $30 a month just to access what used to be completely free. And look, I get it. Nothing stays free forever in this industry. But that does not mean we just roll over and open our wallets. Not today. Because today I am showing you something that is genuinely free, genuinely powerful, and genuinely going to blow your mind when you see what it can do. And trust me, I tested this myself before bringing it to you. Stick around until the very end of this video because I have a bonus tip that is going to make this entire tool completely unlimited for you, and that is not an exaggeration. Let us get into it. Before we move on, let us just take one final look at what happened to Grok. I actually jumped on the platform to double-check this, so you do not have to. You go in there expecting to generate a video like the old days, and boom, paywall, immediately. There is no sneaking around it, no workaround, no free tier hiding somewhere in the settings. It is locked. And honestly, $30 a month for most creators who are just building their channels and trying to figure things out is simply not realistic. So we are officially calling it. Rest in peace, Grok Video Generation. You were great while you lasted, but we are moving forward. Now let me show you what I found. The platform is called BytePlus, and before you scroll past this thinking it sounds boring or corporate, just hold on, because what this tool can actually do is genuinely impressive. We are talking about 3 completely different generation modes here. You can go text to video, where you literally just describe what you want and the AI builds it from scratch. You can go from image to video, where you take any still image, and the AI brings it to life with motion, lighting, and realistic animation. And then there is the wildcard feature that I am obsessed with, which I will get to in just a minute. The outputs I have been generating look clean, cinematic, and nothing like those jittery, weird AI videos you might have seen from other free tools. These actually look like they belong in a real production. Okay? So let us walk through exactly how to get set up without making the mistakes that will waste all your free credits in the first 5 minutes. Go to the link I have posted in the description below. When you land on the BytePlus page, hit the sign up button and just use the login with Google option. It is faster, it is easier, and you skip the whole password creation process entirely. Now here is where it gets critical. Once you are inside, do not just start clicking, generate right away. I know it is tempting because the interface looks amazing, and you want to just jump in, but the default settings on this platform are set up in a way that will drain your free credits embarrassingly fast. So before you touch anything else, go into your settings and make these exact adjustments. Drop the number of videos generated per session down to 1. You do not need 4 versions eating your credits simultaneously. Then bring your resolution down to 720p. And here is my favorite tip for testing new ideas. Turn on draft mode. Draft mode generates your video at a slightly reduced visual quality, but it costs a fraction of the credits. So when you are experimenting with a new prompt and you just want to see if the motion looks right or the composition works, draft mode is your best friend. Once you get a draft you love, then you flip draft mode off, bump the quality back up to 1080p, and render your final polished version. Simple, smart, efficient. Now, let us actually make something. In the text-to-video section, you drop your prompt into the box, choose your aspect ratio, and for regular YouTube content, you want the horizontal option selected. If you are building a short channel or you are posting to TikTok, just flip it to vertical, and you are set. The maximum video duration you can generate is 12 seconds, which sounds short, but is actually massive for a free AI tool. Most free platforms cap you at 3 or 4 seconds if you are lucky. 12 seconds gives you real, usable footage, but here's where BytePlus genuinely separates itself from everything else out there right now. The image-to-video feature is next level. You upload any image, type a short prompt describing how you want it to move, and the AI animates it in a way that actually preserves your subject. It does not morph faces into something unrecognizable or make objects defy physics. It keeps everything coherent and just adds life to the scene. The background moves, the lighting shifts, everything feels real. Now I know some of you are wondering where you are supposed to get high-quality images to animate in the first place. Great news! BytePlus has a completely built-in image generator that is also free. From the top menu, just click on the Image tab, and you get a full dedicated dashboard for creating pictures. And this is not some watered-down generator. It has real controls. You can select quality levels and aspect ratios, and you can set it to generate 4 image variations from a single prompt. So instead of generating one image, deciding you hate it, and starting over, you get 4 options at once, and just pick the best one. That alone saves you so much time. And it gets even better. There is a storybook mode inside the image section where you type out an entire narrative or adventure, and the AI generates a complete sequence of images that tell that story visually. They even have a comic book mode with proper panel layouts and art styling built right in. If you are running a faceless channel, or you want to tell long-form stories with AI visuals, this is an absolute game changer for your workflow. Now, once you have your image sequence, you can use what I think is the coolest feature on this entire platform. It is called start and end frame interpolation. Here is what that means. You upload one image as your starting frame and a completely different image as your ending frame, and the AI generates the entire video that seamlessly connects those two images together. You have total control over where the video begins and exactly where it ends, and everything in the middle is built by the AI. The results I have gotten from this feature look genuinely cinematic. It is the kind of output that makes people stop scrolling. Alright, now for the bonus I promised you at the start. Because I know some of you are thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but I am going to hit a credit limit eventually, and then what? Here is exactly how you handle that. First, BytePlus actually has multiple AI models built into the platform. If you run low on credits with your primary model, just open the drop-down menu, switch to a different model, and keep generating. The quality is comparable, and you are back in action immediately. Second, and this is the ultimate move, the free credits on BytePlus are tied to your email account, not your device or your IP address. So once you have used up your credits on one Google account, you log out, sign back in with a different Gmail account, follow the same setup steps I walked you through at the start, and your credits are completely reset. It takes maybe 15 seconds. If you are seriously grinding out content and need to produce a high volume of videos, this is how you do it without spending a single dollar. So, to recap everything really quickly, Grok video generation is now behind a $30 monthly paywall. BytePlus is the free alternative that actually delivers cinematic quality results. You get text-to-video, image-to-video, start and end frame interpolation, a built-in image generator, storybook mode, and comic book features all in one platform. Set your settings correctly before you generate, use draft mode for testing, and use multiple accounts to keep your credits unlimited. If this video saved your content creation setup today, do me one small favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I am constantly out here finding tools like this, and I do not want you to miss the next one. I will see you in the next video.